Alright guys, I seen Hershey. It was just waiting a few minutes ago. I know it sounds loud, you probably can't hear me, but a few minutes ago I won this. And yeah. A snake. I'm Mr. Snakey. Yeah, it was just pouring raining, guys. It was just pouring raining. Watch. I know, it was just pouring raining. We went in here, the gift shop. We went in like the gift shop and all. I mean, well, here's Hershey. At night. Yeah, it was just thundering. Pray and hope that I'm okay. Doing a video, Mom. Say hi.
Hi, I'm Lucas's mom.
You can tell them anything you want. You can tell them. Hey guys.
It's his birthday weekend.
Yep. And it's just pouring rain.
Yeah, big thunderstorms.
And tell them what happened at the store.
Oh, it's okay, baby. We don't want to tell people.
Yeah, we don't want to tell you
any
guys
negativity. Everything's positive, right?
Yep. Everything's positive in this video. In my video.
In life.
In life.
Hey, bye.
Bye, guys.